So this is going to be part one unboxing of the DriftDesk. Part two is my first use of the DriftDesk. I bought this as part of a Black Friday sale. The delivery was super fast, which was surprising for Black Friday, a matter of a couple days, not a week. As soon as you get it out the box, you'll notice that it's pretty heavy. It's made of some type of aluminum, and you'll notice how heavy it is, but I guess that helps and encourages the stability. It's a portable laptop desk and standing desk. All these little parts that you see in there, I think they have something to do with you can create a keyboard stand if you want to. I probably will not use that, so I'm not so interested in that. There's some instructions here. On the back of the instructions, there's a QR code. Take a picture of the QR code, open it up. There's a video that talks you through everything. This is another part for the keyboard stand that I'm not really interested in, so I won't be using it. But that QR code and the video will save you a lot of time and energy, even if and you'll see, I look through the instructions trying to figure it out. So once I get it open, I'm going to use this either just simply on my desk, or the portability of it also made it a big difference for me, because if I want to go somewhere, you can't take your what they call it, oscillating, or your desk that you have that move up and down. You can't take it with you, but you can take this with you. You'll know how tight it is when you first get it open, and you kind of have to locate those two little tools that are underneath here, and there's a magnet that they kind of want you to keep it there if you want to adjust it multiple times. But pretty much once you have that first adjustment, you're pretty good. Maybe if you move it up and down, it might come a little loose and you have to tighten it up, but it seems to be a really super well made product. Based on the weight, the surface is really solid also. When my wife first touched it, she said it feels a lot like the material that the Apple computer is made out of. So figuring out which one of these to use, the best thing I'd recommend is just watch the video with the QR code on the back, so you don't go through the 15 minutes that I spent trying to figure out why it's not working inside there.